15 gift business ideas. 1. Amorflix custom photo frame. Imagine turning someone's love story into a movie-style poster. That's what Amorflix photo frames do. You design a film-inspired frame featuring a couple's name, date, and photo. To start, use photo editing software like Canva or Photoshop, a good quality printer, and stylish photo frames. 2. Custom moon phase print. Celebrate special moments with the moon's glow. These prints show the exact moon phase on someone's birthday, anniversary, or other cherished dates. To start, use a moon phase calculator and design software to create elegant prints. 3. Photo box frame. A magical frame that holds not just photos but small memories like dried flowers, tickets, or notes. It's like a time capsule on display. To start, source shadow box frames, glass panels, adhesives, and decorative elements. 4. Spotify customized album frame. These stylish frames feature a favorite photo with a Spotify code. Just scan it and the song plays. Perfect for music lovers. To start, use Spotify code generators, design tools, and acrylic or glass frames. 5. Vintage photo frame. Add a touch of nostalgia by creating antique-style frames with worn textures, lace, or gold leaf. To start, find vintage-style frame bases and decorative materials. 6. Stationery gift sets. Who doesn't love a cute bundle of journals, pens, stickers, and envelopes? Perfect for students, writers, or planners. To start, collect high-quality stationery, decorative packaging, and custom labels. 7. Customize resin keychains. Create dazzling keychains with names, initials, glitter, or dried flowers embedded in clear resin. To start, purchase resin kits, molds, pigments, and UV lamps. 8. One flower bouquet. A single elegant bloom, wrapped beautifully, can say so much. These minimalist bouquets are trending for gifting and decor. To start, source fresh or artificial flowers, wrapping paper, and ribbons. 9. Customized skincare gift set. Hand-pack miniature soaps, scrubs, and creams with a personalized label perfect for pampering gifts. To start, make or source natural skincare products, jars, labels, and boxes. 10. Themed handmade jewelry. Craft one-of-a-kind earrings, bracelets, or necklaces with themes like birthstones, zodiac signs, Disney-themed jewelry, or nature. To start, you need jewelry tools, beads, wires, charms, and display cards. 11. Customized glass cup. Personalize clear mugs or cups with quotes, names, or cute illustrations. Great for birthdays or couple gifts. To start, use sublimation printers or vinyl cutters with heat press tools. 12. Craft gifts. Make handmade candles, handmade gifts, home decor, or greeting cards. These are perfect for craft markets or Etsy. To start, you need a variety of crafting tools and eco-friendly materials. 13. Personalized picture frame. Simple yet sentimental, add someone's name, a special date, or a short quote to a beautiful frame. To start, engraving tools, printable stickers, and frames can be used in different styles. 14. Paper flower bouquet with card. Delicate paper blooms paired with a handwritten or printed card, a lasting gift for any special day. 15. Customized chocolate box. Design a delicious box of chocolates, personalized with names or themes from "Thank you" to "I love you." To start, you need chocolates, molds, wrappers, and printed tags.